We are in a corner king room at the Westin in downtown Chattanooga. There's my handsome husband, full-length mirror. So we come in here, we've got a really good size shower, the bench seating, nice robe, very well lit mirror, nice storage space here. So we come into the room over here. You can see the beverage station. There is a beverage cooler down here. Some nice closet space over here. King size bed. But the pièce de résistance of this room is this incredible 2 full walls of windows. So obviously it's nighttime, so we'll show you the nighttime view right now, and then we'll show it to you in the daytime tomorrow. So here is the nighttime view. See the lights of the city around us. There's all the beautiful lights hanging outside the entrance. Such a beautiful view. And the red peak in the distance is the Tennessee Aquarium. So that gives you an idea of roughly how far away the Westin is from some of the more tourist areas of downtown.